Afreda, the world's first reverse three-wheel folding electric scooter, the masterpiece of construction artists. It can be folded and spread for just 1 second.
Hi, this is Josh. I'm a structural engineer, but also bike lover. Normally, foldable bikes will sacrifice the bike experience for its convenience. But I don't think it should be like this, so I designed Afreda.
Its parallelogram axle with suspending front wheels have more than 11 inches amplitude, which makes it far superior than others in terms of shock absorption. With unique reverse three-wheel structure and hydraulic disc brake, Afreda can return powerful grip and perfect balance under any circumstances.
It brings you the safest, freest, most pleasurable riding experience for commute or trip.
We believe Afreda S6 would be your perfect partner. It's elegant and foldable, just one step like this. You can take it anywhere, like a suitcase, without taking up too much space. Just enjoy the pleasure of riding with your friends and family. It's your ride to ultimate freedom.
We prepared for 5 years, 5 generations. This is our first time in Indiegogo. I hope you like Afreda, and I believe you can support us to make our dreams come true.